you know? Ooh, with shapes and grass. Do you know? Ooh.
Shapes.
Shapes. Right. And our second clue was grass. And our third clue, the sky. So, what could Blue want to play outside with shapes, grass, and the sky? Well, if we're outside, maybe we could sit in the grass and, look up at the sky. Then what could we see?
The clouds.
Clouds. Yeah. Maybe different shaped clouds. Yeah. So if we're sitting on the grass looking up at the clouds in the sky, what could we do?
Find shapes in the clouds.
Find shapes in the clouds. Brilliant. Blue, is that what you want to play outside today, the cloud game? We just figured out Blue's clues.